Oh, finally. All right, so we do have some wind damage on this spray roof after all. It looks like it lifted up right here, tore all the way down. You can see different layers. Very interesting. This has had multiple generations of spray foam applied to it, or at least several coats of it. That decking is very soft. This is just Plyza felt, so I was wrong. This is, well, this might be a membrane. That might be a smooth coat mod bit. Yeah. I got a smooth coat mod bit that is attached to this. The corner got the brunt of the wind right here. It lifted up and peeled itself back in chunks.